The VS360 ground blind has an easy quick-set hub system design so you can have your blind set up and ready to hunt in seconds. This ground blind also has a large 77-inch by 77-inch shooting width and 70-inch standing height. To ensure the VS360 will take your hunt to the next level, and to ensure ultimate concealment, we have a completely blacked out interior and features our epic camo pattern on the outside. Brush strips, both lower and upper, are available for easy adaptation to any location. The windows have a full 360-degree view and silent one-hand release hooks to adjust and lower windows for perfect customization. Sliding shoot-through mesh over all the windows provides 360-degree viewing and shooting. VS360 has 2 interior gear pockets to hold equipment and keep it safe yet readily available to you. Large reinforced stake loops are available on all 4 corners to ensure your ground blind will stand strong against the wind. All new ground blinds from Big Game Tree Stands. Fuel the addiction.